Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Odong Fred. In this video, I'm going to share with you, of course, introduction to what is called search strategy. Before I take you through and we have discussion on that, a search strategy is just a planned method of finding information efficiently and effectively. In simple terms, you can just say it is how you plan to look for information so that you get the best results quickly. Now with the search strategy, of course, the first part here is what we call research question development. Here everything starts with a clear question. A good research question is focused, researchable, and complex, not a simple yes stroke no answer. Then we have the problem. Here, if I want to write about the climate change, you find that, of course, it may be too broad. Then with the refinement, this one here may call for the use of PICO or Allspice framework to narrow it down. Example, just like how does rising sea levels affect coastal real estate prices in Florida? So that is a clear example of this kind of question. So why it matters is because a sharp question dictates exactly which buckets of information you need to look into. So still another aspect that is important here under the strategy, we have keyword identification. So in a research strategy, keyword identification is just the process of course, translating your broad research question into specific terms database like the PubMed, this one here, Gesto, or Google Scholar can just understand. So it is the bridge between what you want to know and how the computer finds it. Then still we can also have this part which is search mechanics. You can just call it the tools. Search mechanics, these are just the tools. So once you have keywords, you use operators to connect them. Then with the Boolean operators like this one, you find that it narrows results. Both terms must be present, that is climate and Florida, or broaden results. Either term can be present, that is Florida or Miami. Then should not exclude terms Florida, not listening. So the phrase searching here, it use quotation marks to find exact phrase. Example, sea level rise. You can see like this quotation here in this example, that is sea level rise. So the truncation here is that it use asterisk, this star, to find multiple endings of a word. Example, pollute, which finds, of course, it defines pollute, pollution, or even pollutant. Then as I wind up, members, ladies and gentlemen, there's also database selection. So with database selection, here not every search engine is the same. You must